Utah County Attorney General Jeff Gray said Tuesday that the state will seek the death penalty against the man accused of fatally shooting Charlie Kirk last week at a university event, announcing 7 state charges including aggravated murder. Tyler Robinson, 22, was arrested Thursday in Kirk's assassination. The conservative activist's death jolted the nation, reigniting concerns about rising political violence in the U.S., while also prompting partisan finger-pointing over what was to blame. The murder of Charlie Kirk is an American tragedy, Gray said at a press conference. Charlie Kirk was murdered while engaging in one of our most sacred and cherished American rights, the bedrock of our democratic republic, the free exchange of ideas in a search for truth, understanding, and a more perfect union, he added. On top of the murder charge, Robinson faces counts of felony discharge of a firearm causing serious bodily injury, obstruction of justice, witness tampering, and commission of a violent offense in the presence of a child. The charges had not been formally filed at the time of publication. Gray said the state is further alleging aggravating factors on the murder and firearm charges because Robinson is believed to have targeted Kirk based on his political expression and did so knowing that children were present. Robinson's first court appearance is scheduled to be held virtually Tuesday afternoon. It was not immediately clear whether Robinson has a defense attorney. He has been held without bail since his arrest. President Trump has called for the death penalty in the wake of Kirk's killing, but Gray said the decision was one he made, independently, as county attorney, based solely on the available evidence and circumstances and nature of the crime. Seeking the death penalty triggers a lengthy legal process that will include a 2-part trial, where a jury would be tasked not only with determining Robinson's guilt, but also whether the facts of the case make him eligible for execution. Robinson otherwise faces a maximum sentence of life imprisonment if convicted. Kirk, 31, was shot and killed while giving a talk at Utah Valley University last week. While answering an audience member's question about gun violence, a single bullet struck his neck. Graphic video clips of the moment went viral online, amplifying the violent act. The founder of Turning Point USA, Kirk is widely credited with helping Trump take back the White House in 2024 by harnessing conservative youth. His supporters have hailed him as a martyr. Robinson was taken into custody after a 33-hour search that involved the review of 11,000 different tips, law enforcement said last week. He was tracked down after implying involvement to his father, who contacted a family friend, who then told authorities. Cox said at a news conference last week that Robinson became more political in the lead-up to the shooting, telling family members at one point that he was aware of Kirk's upcoming visit to Utah and believed the influencer was spreading hate. Investigators found bullet casings engraved with messaging that seemed to reference internet meme culture and anti-fascist efforts. Court filings last week also referenced conversations Robinson allegedly had with his roommate about needing to recover a rifle he left wrapped in a towel in a bush. FBI Director Kash Patel said on Fox and Friends on Monday that the agency collected DNA evidence linking Robinson to a towel used to wrap the rifle allegedly used in Kirk's killing and a screwdriver found at the scene. Robinson and the roommate he corresponded with were in a romantic relationship, Cox said. The Utah governor confirmed the roommate is transgender, but warned that Robinson's motive is not yet clear and said the roommate has been very cooperative with law enforcement. Officials have publicly speculated that Robinson was radicalized online and holds a leftist ideology. The Washington Post reported that Robinson allegedly confessed to fatally shooting Kirk in an online Discord chat group. The 22-year-old has no prior convictions, according to a public safety assessment report. Kirk's assassination was the latest in a string of attacks against prominent political figures from both parties in recent years, including 2 attempts on Trump's life and the assassination of former Minnesota House Speaker Melissa Hortman D. in June.